Welcome back. 5 more decisions from the United States Supreme Court today, including a major decision on gun rights. Let's bring in our chief legal correspondent, Katie Barlow, to explain. Katie, what did the court say today?
Well, Shamari, the Supreme Court in a major gun rights decision today said that you can ban people who are subject to a domestic violence restraining order from having a gun, so long as there has been a credible finding that those people are a threat to the physical safety of their intimate partner or of their partner's child. Now, Zaki Rahimi is the one who brought this challenge. He argued that the federal law that bans people under DV protective orders from having guns violates his Second Amendment guarantee to keep and bear arms. But in an 8-1 decision today, the Supreme Court disagreed. The protective order in Rahimi's case was granted after an episode where he dragged his girlfriend and the mother of his child through a parking lot to his car, where she hit her head on the dashboard. When he realized someone was watching, he pulled a gun out of the car and fired as she ran away. Rahimi warned his girlfriend that he would shoot her if she reported the incident. Once a judge issued a protective order, Rahimi was not allowed to have a gun, but when police officers searched his house related to an investigation of his participation in multiple shootings, they found 2 guns. Then he was charged for violating the federal ban. Nationally, over half of intimate partner homicides are committed by a gun, and according to advocates of survivors in Maryland, 75% of the women who were killed by their intimate partner in Maryland were killed with a gun. We'll hear more from them coming up at 5.